Welcome to DisplayBT.com. Today we are going to introduce an assemble process of 4-layer resistive touchscreen. First, laser cut the assembly of 2-layer ITO films. Second, check the accuracy of the cut. Third, insert the FPC into the assembly by hand. Fourth, heat seal the FPC by machine. Fifth, check if the FPC is in the right position. Sixth, quality test if it works properly. Seventh, silk print product number. Eighth, assemble the bottom layer, the bare layer. Ninth, assemble the front layer, the decorated layer. Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.